In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Xiaomi to Strava. First things first, you want to get the official application for Xiaomi. It's going to be the Mi Fitness Xiaomi Wear. Click on the open application, wait for the page to load in, and then you can then proceed by creating your account. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and click on the next button and it will automatically prompt me to my home dashboard. In here, it's as simple as clicking on the profile option. Once again, just wait for this to finish loading. And basically inside the profile category, after logging in your account, it will show us some additional options. You just want to head over to the third-party data, click on setting, click on OK. And inside this page, we then have the accounts and authorization. Just simply click on the Strava, click on Connect. It will then prompt you to the authorization page of Strava. Proceed by logging in your account, and from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.